Good morning, Clay.Thompson here with Guaranty RV Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Northwood manufacturing product. It's the Arctic Fox 27.5. Great floor plan, rear kitchen model. Come on inside and let me show you the details. This has got the new step system with the large assist handle. Very easy to get in and out of. Really nice layout. Great for two people. We pan around. We got a nice big kitchen area. Got the 10 cubic foot refrigerator. Freezer. Recessed bottom in the freezer makes it nice. If you've ever had an RV and had the Brand X that didn't have the recessed freezer, you're going to find that being very nice. Pull-out pantry that locks in place. Adjustable shelving. Stereo system here. Plays your AM, FM, CD, DVD, MP3, all of above. Control panel here for your lights, monitor panel, slides, awnings. The TV, overhead cabinetry. Pan around over here, we got the 3-burner cooktop with the high output burners. Large oven, 3 shelves instead of 2. Residential size microwave convection. This one just came in, folks, so I just want to let you see it, but it still has all the packaging in it. Nice cabinetry. Notice the nice woodwork. Solid door cabinetries. Skylight in the kitchen with shade. Nice big double deep sink. Solid surface countertops. Made for cutting the vegetables on. It's not going to hurt you. Meets food grade standards. Large big drawers in the kitchen with nice clear cut solid woods and clear cut plywood on the sides. Big enough for all the pots and pans. Large under sink storage here. Another bank of drawers. All the overhead cabinetry. Recessed shelf up here, so if we want to put stuff up here for decorations, we can. Dimmer switch for the interior lighting in the kitchen area. Nice big large pantry. Table and chairs freestanding. Storage underneath the chair. Storage underneath the table. It'll turn around, pivot, expand with the 4 chairs. Dual pane windows standard. Notice these are the larger size windows with the ultimate ventilation size, where other types of windows don't give you the ventilation that these sliding windows will give you. That's why Northwood uses them. And notice that they are a double pane glass, non-insulated, because they know that eventually your insulated glass panes are going to leak, fog your window up. So they use the correct windows to begin with, so you don't have to replace them later. Dark tinted glass, shades, nice theater seating from the Thomas Paine furniture collection. Cabinets overhead. Nice slide height here, and notice the floor. It's all flush mount floor slide. Plywood in the floors, plywood in the roof. No particle wood. Come on upstairs. This is going to have the pass-through private bathroom where we have the glass corner shower enclosure. Porcelain toilet behind the door, nice vanity area. Overhead cabinet, below cabinet. Mirror with the convex ×5 on one side, convex on the other, that's lit when we're plugged in. We have the cabinet in the bathroom that's incorporated in the slide out with a catch up here to keep the door in the open position when we run the slide out in. Pan around to the bedroom here. Full queen size 60 by 80 bed. Again, overhead skylight with shade to bring the light in or shade it off. This one has the fantastic fan in the bedroom with rain sensor. Pre-wired and set up for TV. You'll notice I got 110 USB and lights on both sides of the bed, as well as the remote for the fantastic fan next to the bed. So if we want to change the speed to the fan, we can do it without getting out of bed or simply just turning it off. Large wardrobe area in the slide with the big drawers down below. And drawers beside the bed as well, top and bottom. Storage underneath the bed. Nice deep storage area. The bed is not in a slide, therefore we got a lot of storage underneath the bed because we're not trying to hide a slide motor. Before we go outside, I don't want to forget the slide out for your coats when you walk in at the entry. Hang them up, slide it back in, close the door, out of sight, out of mind. Come on down outside here. This one has the friction hinge door. No catches on the wall, no catches on the door. No need to, because it's not going to slam shut. It's got the friction hinge door, very nice feature. Full 1-inch thick baggage doors into the basement area. Mold and mildew resistant carpeting. This is a heated basement. Large Carefree awning with a 6-way adjustable pitch awning to keep the water running off one side or the other. The very large propane tanks with the auto changeover makes it real nice, real handy, plenty of propane. Real metal diamond plate rock guard up front. Pre-cut and wired for a generator if need be, or it's what I call the cold storage. Lots of storage there. More ride pin box, standard. Individual lighting here and on the end cap with its own switches on the lights, makes it real easy to get to. The wardrobe slide, and this is a true 4-season slide setup. So it's a very well insulated slide as well as wall to the coach. Probably one of the best in the industry. And don't forget, Northwood builds from the ground up. So they're building the frame, they make their own frame, and they build above it all in-house. 2 batteries with the pull-out tray. This one's got solar on the roof already with the standard pre-wire for the A-frame solar if equipped or purchased afterwards. This one's going to have the auto leveling system, the Lippert electronic leveling system, not hydraulic. Again, bigger side access to the basement on this side. Docking station here. Again, all of our exterior doors having the full 1-inch thick baggage doors. Battery kill switch is inside. Goodyear tires. Dexter axles. This one's going to have the connected 30-amp cord to it, stored inside instead of a separate cord. End cap on the rear as well as a 1-piece end cap on the front. It's got the onboard ladder and the full walkable roof up top. Gas and electric hot water heater. Dark tinted glass. Exterior speakers on the patio side. A barbecue location if we want to hook up a barbecue outside. It does have the location for the quick disconnect for our LP systems. This being the patio side, big power awning outside with the LED light strip as well as the patio light strip above there. And this is, you know, a true all-season fifth wheel. So some of them like to claim they are, this is the real one. So if you have any questions on the Northwood product, Guaranty was Ron Nash's very first customer from day one with his products that he builds at Northwood Manufacturing. So if you have any questions, again, my name is Clay.Thompson. I'm at Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon, and I can be directly called at 541-979-1770 if you have any questions in any of the Northwood products. Thank you and have a great day.